Hello everyone, it's Justine. Here is a look at all of the cards I made from the core collections for August. So I'll just go through each set as a collection and show you what I made. So let's start here with the gnomes. They're so darn cute. And of course this one has the swinging element. So this was the Holly Jolly Gnome, and this was the gnome tree made with that. And then this was used the Dimensional Diamonds embossing folder. By the way, all of these cards are part of some video on my channel. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check those out. Next, I have the motifs, or the label motifs. This one was the spring one with the little bunny. This was the holiday one, and this was the summer. So they also have a fall and winter one, but I just didn't grab those, so it's fine. And let's go with the big stack here. Now I made 3 5x7 cards with the Santa Lane card kit of the month, and I made 11 other ones. Now these are, I did not use up everything, let's just put it out there, but there's plenty left over is my point here, and I made quite a few cards with that kit. So from that Santa Lane, I used the Oh What Fun stickers to accompany this stitched ornament. Then here is a look at the cards that I made just from the materials in the Santa Lane kit. A couple of these I made sister cards with. That means that they look basically the same or similar. They're sisters. And sometimes I pulled in an embossing folder like this. The embossing folder wasn't from the kit, but you could really not even use an embossing folder and it would be just fine. Plus that red mirrored cardstock is not from the kit, but you could use a red cardstock and that would be comparable. Alright, here are 5 cards that I made from the Winter Wishes or Winter Wonderland collection. It's almost like a card kit, but they don't have like card bases and stuff, and they're not a bundle. So it's like a paper pad and some die cut shapes that come together, and they definitely coordinate. So that was fun. Then here are 4 cards from the Tinsel Time collection. So this one I colored with some Copic markers. These 2 I just used the stamp for heat embossing with some gold embossing powder. And this one is the interactive die, and it's called Dancin' Saint Nick. I also used the background that is glimmered. It's the hypnotic background. That's part of the Halloween, which was the Boo Party. Alright, now this was probably my favorite card. I just love the way it turned out with the 12 donuts and the sprinkles. The sprinkles are from Spellbinders. They look like this, so I'll link those in the description too, since they're kind of a unique part of this card. So this was with the sweet and savory dies. I used the donut from there, but it also comes with a pizza, pretzels, hot dogs, soup. There's a ton of food in that set. I also, well, speaking of that set, I made this little pizza card, and they have a really funny stamp set that accompanies the food that I just think is hilarious. I also made this little camper card with this awning. It kind of got squished from sitting in a pile, but you can kind of see that it pops up. So that was pretty cute, and I already know who this is going to for a Christmas card, so I have a plan. Lastly, I have some Halloween cards. This one was a stitched one, really nothing from a new collection, but I just figured I'd put it with my Halloween cards since I made it this month. So here it is. I just used some little gems that I had in my stash, and this Halloween sentiment came from, I think it's the Spooky Sentiments Glimmer pack. So I'll try to link everything in the description. I'm sorry if I don't. Let me know and I'll try to help you. Let's see, I'll get these two houses together. I made 2 houses with the haunted house die, and I used the bats on one and the ghosts on the other. Again, the glimmered sentiments from all the Halloween cards are from that glimmered sentiment pack, and then these backgrounds are that hypnotic background. Same with this background as well. And next I have my interactive dies. You can kind of see there's some legs here, and the legs here move as well on the mummy. So I always like the interactive cards. I think they're just a little more fun, and the sentiments are hilarious. Creep it real. Hello. Baddie for you. So funny. Anyway, that's a look at all of the cards that I've made from the August collection. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you're interested in anything, I'll have almost everything linked in the description. And I'd like to know what card was your favorite. I think mine is still the donut, I will just say. But I think my second favorite is the Stanson St. Nick, because I love the glimmer. I love the gold mirror cardstock, the interactive part. I like how the little list is almost like a little 3D list. Very sweet. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're inspired by at least one card. And if you were, let me know by hitting the like button. And subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Bye!